Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. Got a lot of things coming up, so let me jump right into it. So this weekend we have a drive coming up, sort of the middle of our territory here. We're going to meet at exit 170 off of I-75 North, and then we're going to sort of gather up there at the 7-Eleven, and then jump out into the middle of the state, do some drives on some curvy roads. Do that for a couple hours, and then we're going to head over. 11:30 is lunch at Linder Lodge there in Sarasota, and then have lunch together, and then should be good. Check out the RSVP on our website, and let us know if you're going to do the drive and the lunch, or just the lunch, or just the drive. Just let us know so we'll know how to plan. And then on Saturday the 2nd, BMW Sarasota, Cars and Coffee. We'll meet there at the dealership, hang out and have a good time, and then come up on the same thing on the 2nd of November. Chris and Margaret have their drive up in Panama City. Actually, they're going to go to Bruce Cafe in Ponce de Leon. And if my memory's right, I read this, just make sure you recognize, I believe Ponce de Leon is in Eastern Standard Time, Eastern Daylight Savings Time, or Standard Time, I believe is what it is. But just check out the timing on that. So just so you make sure, check out the link on our website to do that. And then coming up on the 5th, we have the St. Pete Clearwater meet. And then on the 9th, we're back to Peepaws. And so Peepaws is one of those neat places that reached out to us. And it's Beamers and Brews, I believe. And we'll hang out there and have some fun. There's more coming up on the calendar. There's a lot more coming up on the calendar. Just take a look down on what's coming up in November and then early December, and then getting ready to post the Sebring corral for the HSR. So I'll have that information, sort of putting all that together this weekend. And then just shortly will be hopefully some information on our annual dinner coming up in January. And I think this is going to be a really cool thing. Got some surprises planned for that. I think it'll be a really fun date for everybody to come out, dinner, and I hear some racing in the background, so look for that. I'll give you the surprise when we get that finally booked. We're working on the details right now. So until then, come on out and join us. We have a ton of new members contacting us and coming out, and so love to see you. Come on up, shake our hand, and just be a part of that. We saw a lot of folks last week at the Fort Myers Cars and Coffee, a lot of folks last week at the Naples Cars and Coffee. So come on out, we're having a blast. Until then, happy motoring. See you soon. Thanks, folks. Bye now.